Joy Home Remedies brings you the best natural DIY insect repellents to keep bugs away. This time of the year, most people pick up some kind of insect repellent to keep those pesky bugs away. Sure, commercial bug sprays work well, and they are fairly affordable, but most of them contain dangerous chemicals that are toxic to humans and animals. So, if you're looking for something that doesn't cause skin and respiratory irritation, you're in luck. Check out some of the best natural DIY insect repellents to keep bugs away. Number 1. Homemade bug spray. Don't let the bugs of spring and summer get you down. If you'd like to keep mosquitoes, ticks, flies and other bugs away, mix 1/2 cup of witch hazel, 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar and 40 drops of essential oils in an 8-ounce spray bottle. You can use eucalyptus, lemongrass, citronella, tea tree, or rosemary essential oils. Shake well, and spray over all portions of your body, but avoid the repellent from getting in your eyes and mouth. Number 2. Mosquito repellent plants. If you don't want to douse yourself or your garden in chemical bug sprays, you can also grow some insect-repelling plants to help keep mosquitoes away naturally. Simply place some lavender, catnip, or basil near any entrances to your home. Number 3. DIY wasp repellent spray. Bees and wasps may seem like horrible pests, buzzing around with their threatening stingers and intimidating yellow jackets. Keeping them away from your outdoor activities can be a real pain in the ass. However, it turns out, wasps hate soapy water. Mix 1 cup of unscented baby shampoo and a couple of drops of peppermint essential oil. Fill a spray bottle with the mixture and spray it on areas and surfaces where you wish to repel wasps. Number 4. Homemade ant spray. Ants are small and harmless, but they can be so annoying. Just one little crumb can attract a whole bunch, and they seem to spread everywhere. To stop them before they even become a problem, combine water with some white vinegar, and a few drops of essential oil in a spray bottle and mist all doors and baseboards in your home. Number 5. DIY cockroach repellent. If cockroaches send shivers up your spine, you need to make this natural homemade pesticide before they end up infesting your home. 2 cups of water mixed with 2 tablespoons of tea tree oil should do the trick. Number 6. Black fly repellent. Not only can black fly bites be painful, itchy, and cause a strange numbness, but they can also transmit blood-borne pathogens. Lemon eucalyptus oil is a great way to keep black flies at bay. Dab some on your clothing or add 10 to 15 drops to a cup of water in a bottle and spray the flies away. Number 7. DIY fruit fly trap. Fruit flies seem to come from nowhere, and they can be super annoying. I don't recommend cutting fruit from your diet, but you can try this do-it-yourself homemade fruit fly trap instead. Pour some apple cider vinegar in a cup. Place a saran wrap on top, and punch a few holes in it with a toothpick. Within a few days, the fruit flies will all be trapped in the cup with no way to escape. Number 8. DIY spider repellent. Spiders. Yikes. If I see one, I run away like a sissy girl. Luckily, I learned that spiders hate peppermint and citrus. So, if you're like me, and don't want spiders in your house, grab a spray bottle and fill it with 2 cups of water, then add 10 to 15 drops of peppermint essential oil. You can also add a few drops of biodegradable dish soap for a little extra power. Spray this solution around your doors, windows, and in room corners. Number 9. Mouthwash and Epsom salt yard spray. Most mouthwashes have compounds like eucalyptol, menthol, and thymol. All of these can also act as mosquito repellents. Epsom salt can help ward off insects and other microbes in addition to the mosquitoes. Just take a large bottle of any store-bought mint-flavored mouthwash, and add 3 cups of Epsom salt to it. Mix well, and spray this solution around your home twice daily. Number 10, Hot Pepper Mite Spray. If you have problems with mites, simply mix 2 tablespoons of hot pepper sauce, a few drops of biodegradable dish soap, and 1 quart of water and let it sit overnight. Use a spray bottle to apply the spray to infested plants. Hot pepper spray works because of the compound capsaicin, which causes the heat in hot peppers. It is just as irritating to insects as it is to us. Instead of spraying dangerous chemicals on your skin and around your home, give these natural insect repellents a try. They'll keep the bugs at bay without dousing your body and the air with harmful substances. Do you have a homemade insect repellent recipe that you use every year to ward off the flying menaces? We'd love for you to share it with us. Thanks for watching. If you think what you've learned in this video is useful, please slam that like button, and share it with your friends. For more videos like this, please subscribe, and don't forget to press the notification bell.